In this video, we will talk about sets data type. What are sets? A set is a collection of items which are unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Let us start by creating an set. I'll just create a name of movie characters: Thor, Hulk, and Iron Man. If I try to print the set, there you go, Hulk, Iron Man, and Thor. But one thing you notice, they're not ordered as the given input because sets are unordered and unindexed. Next would be how to access item of sets. You cannot access item in set by referring to an index. Since sets are unordered, the item has no index. But you can loop through the set items using for loop to return the items. For x, you can name it as items. For items in set, print item. So if I execute this, you got the output as Iron Man, Thor, and Hulk. Next, to change an item in the sets. Once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can always add new items. If you want to add a single item, you can use add method. Suppose if I want to add an item to an already existing set, just type name of the set dot add, and the item name maybe X-Man. Yeah, that would be good, right? I'm just printing it. Set, we'll see how it updated. There you go, X-Man has been added to the set. Suppose if you want to add multiple items to a set, you can use update method. Remember, always when you want to add multiple items, use the square brackets, then just mention items X-Man, comma XYZ, comma ABC, guys, whatever maybe. If I just execute this, see, the items has added Hulk, ABC, Iron Man, X-Man, XYZ, Thor. Now let us understand to find the length of the set. It's so simple, guys. As previous, just type length and length keyword and just name of the. Okay, guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.